Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett. I'm the Love on Ford Delivery Specialist for Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm here today with a quick tech tip for you. Okay, what I'm going to be showing you today is the touchless gate, and this is going to apply if you have a 2020 Outback or 2021 Outback, and it must have a power gate. So with this gate, you can actually open it with just getting near the car. So for this to work, car's off, got the doors locked, all you have to do is have the key for the car. You can have it in your pocket, your purse, whatever you want to do. What you will do, you will walk up to the car near the Subaru logo, and you will just put your arm near it. When you hear a beep, back up, the gate opens. So if you're carrying something to the car, this will just make it so much easier. You ain't got to be trying to reach and open the gate with your hand or get your key out. Now, the big key when you go to do this, for this to work, is do not touch the car. You will observe that when I walk up to the car, if I put my arm right up against the car, see, it's not going to open. So you have to leave a little bit of space between your arm and the car to make this work. So you can use your arm. I can walk up with my hand nearby. Just like that. Now the touchless gate that I was just showing you, you also do have the ability to turn that off. You will find the button, it's on the left side of the dash, and it's right down here, this button that says off. Now when this button is pushed in, that turns that feature off. Button is pushed out, that is on. Now it is recommended that if you would take this car in any car wash, that you should turn this feature off. Thanks for watching our tech tip today. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and if you enjoyed this video, also give us a comment in the comment section below. And if you'd like to see other videos like this about other things on your Subaru, leave us a note. Maybe we'll make a video on that in the future.